Honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No.
Hey besties, how's everybody doing? Happy New Year! Yay, we've made it. Now, I've been sick, and thank you to those that sent me well wishes and prayers. I did not have COVID. I just had a cold, and it was really bad. It kicked my butt. So as you can see, the house is a mess. I brought my New Year's in sick, so I did not get anything done. But I'm here and I'm alive, and I thank the Lord for it. So let me know down in the comments what you all did for your New Year's. Was it great? Were you sick like me? What was going on? And if this is your first time clicking on my channel, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you. On my channel, I do everything that pertains to mama life, home life, wife life, anything dealing with that. If that's something you'd be interested in, then click that subscribe button and smash that like. For all my returning subscribers, my returning besties, and some of the new besties that I got over the Christmas holiday, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate y'all. I love you. I thank you so much. We are on the road to 100 subscribers. It's great, and I'm blown away by the fact that people actually like watching my channel, and I appreciate it so much. So remember, smash that like button, comment down below, let me know what you're doing with me. Are you cleaning? Are you watching? Are you getting motivation for later? And you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.
Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear.
So I'm not 100%, and throughout the video you're gonna see from time to time that I'll be sitting to get some cleaning done. Some folks will probably be like, how you clean sitting down? Well, I do, and I do it quite well. I'm sorry if that's offensive to somebody, but that's what I had to do because I couldn't stand for long periods of time. I was just too tired and too sick and wasn't feeling it.
Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. Boy, you better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, you just shut your mouth. Yeah. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart, casting dice and roulette. The game was set right from the start. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna know, I don't want it anymore. I don't wanna go, don't wanna know, but I keep coming back for more. Crashing down and in the rain, all things are burning up in flames. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Crashing down and in the rain, our love will never be the same. We're going under, bang bang like thunder, bang bang like thunder. Yeah, the air's getting thinner, higher than high we go. think we lost all, but who will take the fall? Who will win it all? You know the cost, still you go through walls. Keep on acting small. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad taste of hanging around you. Bad. I'm so sorry about the bitter end. I'm so sorry if I misbehave. In the middle we got tangled up, but in the aftermath of us, I don't regret that much. I don't regret that. Sunny side up, try to keep it cool, bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cruel. I can't be cruel to you.